How to add music to your notes on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add music to your notes on Instagram. For that, you will have to open your Instagram app on your mobile device and click on the messenger icon at the top of the screen. Navigate to the notes section located over your message. You will see the music icon here, but if you don't see the music icon, your app may need an update. For that, go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update option appears, click on it to ensure you have latest features. Once the update is complete, click on the open button to return to the Instagram app. Now on this home page, click on that messenger icon at the top of the screen and then click on Note. In the Notes section, you will find the music icon. If you didn't find the music icon in this Notes section again, you can log out and log in once again and you will find music icon in this Notes section. Now click on it to access a collection of music tracks. Browse through the available music options or use the search feature to find the specific song you want to add to your note. Once you find the music you want to add, click on the chosen music track and adjust the settings such as duration or specific part of the song you want to include in your note. Once you have customized it, click on the tick mark to save your note with the added music. Then click on Share. Your note is now ready with music, creating a more engaging and personalized experience for your audience. So this is how you can add music in notes on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.